In this video, our technical analysis for the Bitcoin prices played out exactly as predicted. But right now, we are going to understand if should we be trading right now. Well, stay tuned to know more. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabs Cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out videos like this. So yeah, let's now dive into this video and let's give you a quick recap of our previous analysis. So yun guys, I think this is going to be a short video kasi may some things na gusto akong sabihin dito regarding the latest Bitcoin price action. But let's dive in first sa previous analysis. So 'di ba sa previous analysis, nagkaroon tayo ng malaking bearish divergence in the 4-hour time frame. So yan yung malaking bearish divergence. So that is where whenever the price is increasing while RSI is declining, those are usual signs of a bearish breakdown, and that played out exactly as predicted. Then nung pababa siya ng pababa, 'di ba sinabi ko sa mga previous posts natin na oversold na si Bitcoin in the RSI. So that is indicating na it's time for us to take profit na dun sa short position. And then on top of that, if you're going to look at the 1 hour time frame or hourly time frame, nagkaroon din tayo ng dito ng bullish divergence. So in this case, ang in-expect natin is magkakaroon siya ng short-term bullish retracement and then consolidation. And take a look at this, guys. We saw that bullish retracement nga exactly as predicted. But right now, we are now heading into this consolidation. Right now, if you're going to look at this in the hourly time frame, you can see that this is just literally moving sideways. Even the RSI is just moving sideways. So, right now, ako personally, hindi ako mag-open ng kahit anong trade not unless we see any big movement talaga or big opportunities or signs. But if let's say you want to trade this short-term movement, you can actually go into kay 15-minute time frame, medyo ano pa nga siya consolidation You can actually look at the 5-minute time frame, then you can trade itong mga divergences na yan wherein the price declining while increasing RSI. So ayun yung mga ganong short-term movement, then you can actually trade those movement. Meron din dito bullish divergence naman, price is increasing while RSI is declining. So ayun so just like what we have been seeing dun sa mga bigger time frame natin na Bitcoin price action, you can actually use those divergences sa mga shorter time frames. And take note, this is only for traders na mataas yung risk nila. So if let's say you are a scalper, then this is a good thing to do. Pero if you are a swing trader like me, then I highly suggest na you do not do this. But ako personally, since swing trader ako, hindi ako mag-open ng ganyang trade. But if you are a scalper, then you can do this. But if you want to learn this technique na sinasabi ko, you can actually check out our Gabs Crypto 101 playlist. You can find the description down below. Meron tayo dun tutorial video on how to trade yung mga smaller movements by using these indicators na meron tayo dyan. So, ayun guys, I don't think na may mapapag-usapan pa tayo dito. Not unless na may makita tayong big indicators, then that could be the next move dito kay Bitcoin. Looking at the stochastic RSI, wala rin tayong nag-form na kahit anong indicator. So, I don't think there's going to be any movement for the time being dito with the Bitcoin price action. So, for now, we're just going to wait this one out. And ayun din guys, if wala pa kayo account with Bybit, make sure to use our sign up link na you can find description down below. And you can claim of up to $30,000 of bonus. But yeah, yun lang siguro muna update natin for the time being. Hindi ako masyado nakapag-post ng videos lately kasi naging busy talaga ako lately dito sa bago kong place. Inaayos ko yung lighting and things like that. But yeah, if you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye for now.